Hello and welcome back to CM Travels. My name is Murray Forbes and today we're going to be bringing you the unboxing of the 50mm f2.8 MC lens and the much awaited 105mm MC f2.8 BRS lens. Doing a lovely unboxing, but before that let's cue that intro. Quick note from our side, this channel is not sponsored by Nikon. They very kindly, thank you Andy, send us gear for us to review and give you our opinions. If you would like to help the channel today, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button or follow our 15% off any small rig gear link in the description below, and we can get you 2 months free music from artlist.io if you sign up using our affiliate link in the description below. All of those things are free. So let's dive into the first unboxing, the 50mm f2.8. Here it is, very exciting stuff. Ooh. So first thing you get, lens cleaner, got one of those. This is the shade thingy mabob. We'll test that out in a bit. Your warranties, very important, of course. This is what the box looks like. I just love doing these unboxing videos. I haven't done one for quite a while, and I'm interested to see. Well, this is well packed by Nikon. Thanks, Andy. Hala! Very well wrapped box. That's it for the box. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. Oh, very extremely smooth. Always interesting, these little macro lenses, you know, they get these little small things at the front here. Very interesting. You've got your manual and auto focus switch here, as well as the, of course, 2 different focal lengths that you can use. Of course, full would be as close as you can go to infinity, and of course if you switch it over to 0.3 meters and 0.16 meters, you're obviously operating in the macro field. But that's very handy, especially when you're doing very close-up work. But the build quality and overall look of the lens is superb. What we've come to expect from these Nikkor S-line lenses. Back, I always go the other way. It wants me to turn it the other way, but very nice. Of course, the metal ring around here, the contacts for the lens. Very nice, nifty little 50. See what I did there? But I'm very excited to put this on a camera and get it working. But I think I forgot about the 105. Very excited about the 105. Very excited. Let's get into the 105. Right, here we are, the 105. Bigger box, of course. Bigger lens. What do they say about bigger socks? This is what it looks like. Warranties, I'll keep those on the right side. Left side is for the other lens. Lens shader, put that over there. Another lens cloth. Those lens cloths are very nice, by the way. Again, a bit tricky to get out. Doesn't have the bubble wrap. Again, beautiful quality, what we've come to expect from Nikon and the S-line lenses here. You obviously got your function ring, then your adjustment here, and this is just a grip at the end. It's not another ring, of course. So your focus ring and then function ring, which you can apply a function to from the menu settings in your Z6, Z7, Z6 II, or Z7 II. Hopefully the Z9, which may be coming out. Crickets. Not sure, maybe. But as a display screen, another function button, a display button to display or change rather the display that you will see here. Let's take off the cover. Looks good. Absolutely fantastic. This is brand new out the box, straight from Japan. What they do have now is these S logos on them. Both of these lenses, I am super excited about testing them. They've both got rave reviews, particularly this 105, and they're saying could be one of the best lenses they've ever produced. That's straight out of Japan. So, interesting. I'm very keen to get it on a camera. So, if you enjoyed this video today, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.